Virgilio P. Yongzon III.
To our supportive and beloved school directress, Mrs. Lilian A. Enriquez. To our dedicated and beautiful principal, Ms. Sheena Marie Enriquez. To our distinguished guests, Mr. Elder G. Rizal, teachers, parents, friends, and fellow completers. Good afternoon! Wow! Can you believe this moment is here? It feels like just yesterday we were learning our ABCs and sleeping in our sitting room table. Right, Daron? Today is a very special day. A day of joy and pride as we celebrate the journey and achievements you've reached. In behalf of my fellow achievers, we would like to express our gratitude to our alma mater led by Teacher Sheena, our school principal, and our heroes that taught us to be tough academically. No other than our teachers. Let us express our deepest gratitude to them. Thank you for inspiring us, challenging us, and showing us the power of knowledge. Your patience and dedication will always be the foundation of our success. To parents and families, thank you for your unconditional love and support. You've cheered us during our best moments and stood by us during our tough ones. As I stand here today, I want to take a moment to honor someone who has played an incredible role in my journey. My tatay. From the very beginning of my school life, he was my biggest supporter, always encouraging me to do my best and reminding me that everything will be fine, even if the world seems against me. He keeps telling me, "Kampi mo ko, hayaan mo sila. Those no longer with us and now just over from heaven." I feel His love and guidance in everything I do. This achievement for you, Tatay, and I know you'll be so proud and make yabang with his friends. I love you so much and I miss you, Tatay. Nanay, mahal na mahal kita. Thank you for taking care of me and Bander. To my Lola Berling and Lola Aida, I am missing you every day and I love you. To my Tito Pao, Tito PJ, Tita Lenlen, Tita Nene, and Lolo Toto. Thank you for your generosity. I love you all. And lastly, to my mommy, daddy, and Bander. Thank you for always being there for me. For the patience, for the guidance, and for all the love and support you've given me. This achievement I have, I owe it all to you. Maraming salamat po. Mahal ko kayo. Our journey was not easy. There were moments we like to give up, struggled with assignments, or felt uncertain about the results of exams. But each challenge taught us toughness, determination, and the value of hard work. Like what my mommy always says, "Pag umiyak ka ba? Tataas grades mo?" Those lessons will serve us well as we move forward to new adventures. As we prepare to take the next step into middle school, let us carry with us the friendships, the memories, and enjoy it as we grow in knowledge. Now, let us dream big, believe in ourselves, and remember that we achieve great things if we believe in ourselves. To my fellow kids and achievers, let us be kind, courageous, and curious as we embrace our new journey. Again, I'm Virgilio P. Yongzon III, Grade 6 Top Achiever of Class 2025. Congratulations, and let's make it extraordinary. Thank you, and God bless us all.
Thank you for that.